Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, then do like it and share it, and do subscribe the channel for more feature updates. In my previous video, I showed you how to create a workspace in Eclipse IDE and how to create your very first Java project in Eclipse IDE. In this video, I will show you how you can print anything in Java. So let us begin our today's topic. So I will create the class first. So for creating the class, I am using here Eclipse IDE to run my Java program. So I will go here in file option. And then here I will go in new. Here in new I will go to class. See here the class option. Now I want to create the class. So I will go in class and I will write here. Suppose I want to print fruits name. So let me give the name fruits. Suppose I want to give the class name as fruits. So I will give here the class name as fruits. And now I want it as public, and now I want to generate public static void main. So I will just click on public static void main and just go to finish. So here fruits.java class has been created. Now I want to print here the fruits name. So what I will do, I will write here system. Remember to see the case sensitivity of Java. Java is very case sensitive language, means it distinguishes between the uppercase and lowercase letter. So the spelling should be right. System S should be in capital, and then write here out dot println. And now suppose I want to print the fruits name. I want to print the fruits name, so that so what I have to do, I have to give here the double inverted comma, and then in between I will write the fruits name. Suppose I want to print the fruit name as guava, so I will write it as guava, and then after writing it, after you have written this, you have to put here a semicolon. If you won't put a semicolon, then the compiler will give the error. Let me show you. Suppose I remove here the semicolon, I will run the program. See, it will give an error. I want to run here the fruits.java, so I will just run fruits.java and I will click here OK. See, the error is existing in the project. See the syntax error, insert this. So you have to insert here this semicolon. And suppose now let me show you, if we give here s in lowercase letter. So s in lowercase letter, and now I will show you. See, I am running the program now. I am running the program. See, it will again give the error. See, system, here it's the error. Let me open the console and show you. See, unresolved compilation error, compilation problem. So what should be here? It should be in uppercase letter. System.out.println. Java is a very case sensitive language. So now I will run my program. See, I am running the program. See, it's printed here guava. Guava is printed here. Now suppose I want to print here orange. So I will write here system.out.println, and I will print here orange. Orange printed here orange. Now I will run the program. I want to run a fruits program, so I will run it here. Okay. See, it's printed. Now suppose I don't want the line break in between. I want to print it in the same line. I want to print the guava and orange in the same line. So what I can do, I can remove here the ln. But I can remove here ln, because ln gives the line space. It gives the line break. So I will just write this print system.out.print. Now what will happen, after printing guava, there will be no line break and the orange will be printed in the same line. See, I will show you. See, it's printed in the same line. Now suppose I want the space in between guava and orange. What I can do, I can give here the simple, I can just give here the white space like this. So now I am printing it. See, the space here has been given here. So this is how we can print anything in Java. Now suppose I want to print the numbers, so I can just write like this: system.out.println 9. So I can just print it like this also, 9, and see, it has been printed 9. So this is how we can print anything in Java. In the next video, I will show you how to create a variable in Java, what are variables in Java. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.